Welcome back to English Breakthrough. I'm Sophia, and today we're diving into something that literally transformed how I speak English. My guest today is Jake, who went from struggling with basic conversations to confidently presenting at international conferences. Jake, welcome.
Thanks for having me, Sophia. I'm excited to share my journey.
So Jake, let's get real. Most people tell English learners to practice every day. But that's so vague. What did you actually do every single day?
You're absolutely right. I used to hear that advice and think, okay, but how? Here's what changed everything for me. I created what I call the English sandwich method.
The English sandwich method? I'm intrigued. Break it down for us.
So imagine a sandwich, right? You've got 3 layers. First layer, morning. I'd spend 15 minutes shadowing native speakers, not just listening, but actually speaking along with them. I used podcast episodes or YouTube videos.
Hold on. When you say shadowing, can you demonstrate that for our viewers?
Sure. So if I'm listening to someone say, in today's discussion, we're exploring the impact of technology, I would repeat it immediately after them, trying to match their rhythm, intonation, and even their emotion. Like this. In today's discussion, we're exploring the impact of technology.
That's powerful. It's like you're becoming their echo. What's the second layer?
Second layer, midday, I'd have what I call English moments throughout my day. Whenever I was doing something, making coffee, taking a walk, even brushing my teeth, I'd narrate my actions in English out loud.
Wait, so you'd literally talk to yourself?
Exactly. I'd say things like, okay, I'm pouring the coffee into my mug. Wow, it smells amazing. I should probably not spill this on my shirt like yesterday. It sounds silly, but here's the thing. You're training your brain to think in English, not translate from your native language.
That's a game changer. So many people get stuck in the translation trap. What about the third layer?
Third layer, evening. This is where I'd reflect. I kept a voice journal on my phone. Every night, I'd record myself for just 5 minutes, talking about my day, a problem I was facing, or something interesting I learned.
Did you ever go back and listen to those recordings?
Oh, yes. And that's where the magic happened. After a month, I listened to my first recording versus my most recent one. The difference was incredible. I could hear myself becoming more fluent, using better vocabulary, making fewer pauses.
So you were basically creating your own progress tracker. I love that. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What about grammar mistakes? Were you correcting yourself constantly?
This is crucial, Sophia. In the beginning, I gave myself permission to make mistakes. The goal wasn't perfection. It was fluency. I focused on getting my ideas out first. Later, I'd note patterns in my mistakes and work on those specifically.
That's such an important mindset shift. Perfectionism kills progress. How long did it take you to see real results?
Honestly, within 3 weeks, I felt more confident. Within 3 months, people started asking if I'd lived in an English-speaking country. Within 6 months, I was giving presentations at work in English.
That's inspiring. For viewers watching right now, what's one thing they can start today?
Pick one layer of the sandwich. Don't try to do everything. If you're a morning person, start with shadowing. If you're busy during the day, do the voice journal at night. Consistency beats intensity every single time.
And that's our show. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time on English Breakthrough.